Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about Kerala economy. So Kerala is one of the states in India, and we are very exciting to know that about the Kerala economy, about the Kerala, and let me go and we can discuss today. We can discuss about what about Kerala economy. Uh, the the point is, first we have to understand so demographic indicators of Kerala economy. So I choose here main some demographic factors, main some important demographic factors like population, density of population, birth rate, mortality rate, and literacy and sex ratio, aging population, and urbanization. So today, one by one, we can discuss what about Kerala population, what about Kerala density population, what about that Kerala birth rate, mortality rate, literacy, sex ratio, and aging population, and Kerala urbanization. Uh, First one is the population. So Kerala population. So what about that Kerala population? According to according to the census of 2011, uh, Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. Though, as per the census of 2011, the Kerala population of Kerala is 3 crore 34 lakhs 6061. So, constitute 2.76% of India's population. In the total India's population, so Kerala's share is 2.76%. So Kerala has totally 3 crore 34 lakhs 6061 population. Kerala's population. Out of states total population, 48% population are males and 52% are females. So in this total population, so 48% of the male population is there and 52% female population is there. So compared to here, the data shows that percentage you can see, compared to male, female population is higher than the male population. Here and then the rural population. Rural population is 1 crore 74 lakhs 71,135 as per the 2011 census. And the urban population you can see 1 crore 59 lakhs 34,926. So here compared to rural and urban population, the rural population is higher than urban population. And then we can see as per the 2011 census, the Malappuram district has the first rank in the highest population and Wayanad has the lowest population in the state. So Malappuram district has the highest population in the Kerala state and Wayanad has the very low population. The next point is we can see gender wise population in Kerala. We in the last slide I told the male population is lower than the female population. See, in case male population is 1 crore 63 lakhs 72,760 and female population you can see that 1 crore 73 lakhs 78,649. So here is the graph will compare the census 2011 and 2001 population. It will compare. This is the total population, but here this C, in case this is male 2001, the left side, no, the left side is 2001. This is present 2001 census population. This is present 2011 population, male population. Similarly, same thing in case also female. And compared to male population, the female population is the highest. And then now we can see that ranking of districts by population size 2001 and 2011 census. We can compare the district population. So totally in the districts 14 districts are there in the Kerala state. Kerala state has 14 districts, and we already checked that Malappuram has the highest population. Here see, in case 41 lakhs, near 41 lakhs population, as the Malappuram district has the highest population, and Wayanad is the lowest population. Rank wise the population is there in the 2011 and 2001 population. That rank also, the rank in 2001, which district has the number 1 rank, but among the 14 district, Malappuram district has the number 1 in the highest population, but Wayanad is the last in the population, total population. Next is we can focus another demographic factors, density of population. What is the density of population? How will measure the density of population? Population density is a measurement of the number of people in a specific area, usually expressed as the number of individuals per unit of land area, like such as a square kilometer. So density of population will measure the total population divided by land area covered by the population, such as a square kilometer. So Kerala's density of population as per 2011 census is 860 persons per square kilometer. So Kerala's density of population is 860 persons per square kilometer as per the 2011 census. It is much higher than the India. See, overall India level, India's total density of population is 382, but compared to India, Kerala has higher density of population. And you can see Thiruvananthapuram is the most densely populated district, 1508, and Idukki district is the least densely populated district, like 255. I hope you can find out these, you can note these things. And then next factor is birth rate and mortality rate. So what is the birth rate and what is the mortality rate? Now we can understand what about the Kerala's birth rate and what about the Kerala's mortality rate. The birth rate is the number of live births occurring among the population of a given geographical area in a given year. For 1000 mid-year total population of a given geographical area in the same year. And next point is the mortality rate. It is the number of deaths. Birth rate, it means it is the number of live births per 1000 mid-year. Okay, the mortality rate is the number of deaths occurring among the population of a given geographical area in a given year per 1000 mid-year total population of the given geographical area in the same year. The next we can see here birth and death rate in Kerala. We can see. So this graph will shows that we can see here from 1980 to 81. Since 1980-81 to you can see up to 2020 the birth rate and death rate. You can see the per 1000 population in 1980-81 26 per 1000 population 26. It was in the 1980-81, and you can see this data means this rate is declining from year to year. 2016 15 15 15 and 14.2 13.9 13.5. You can see in the 2020 the birth rate is 13.2 per 1000 population. And then as well as you can see that death rate also per 1000 population in the 1980-81 6 per 1000 population 6 death rate. And even you can see in the 1991 6 777 in the from 2001 to 2011, and after that in 2017 6.8, 2018 6.9, and 2019 7.1. The 2027 is there. It is a stagnant is there from since 1980-81 to 2020 the death rate of the Kerala state. And next we can understand next factor is the literacy. We are very exciting to know that Kerala's literacy rate. Literacy is defined as the ability to read, write, speak, and listen to a language. Kerala has the highest proportion of literate persons in the population among Indian states. The effective literacy rate is 94%. So in the India, so literacy rate of the Kerala state is 94%. Kerala is the one of the first rank in the literacy as per the 2011. This is 2011 data. Okay, as per the 2011, the Kerala is the first rank in the literacy rate. It has 94% of the literacy rate, and 96.11% of men and 92.7% of women are literate. Compared to men, so women literacy rate is very lower than male literacy rate. You can see in the Kerala district which district has the highest top in the literacy rate, and Kottayam district tops in the literacy with 97.2%. So I hope you should you can note these points. It will help in your exam. So Kottayam district has the highest literacy with 97.2% in the state, followed by Pathanamthitta with 96.5%, Wayanad and Palakkad with 89% and 89.3% respectively. The next point is, you can see literacy rate of Kerala since 1951 to 2011 here. So this graph presents since 1951 to 2011 the male literacy and female literacy and total literacy. In the 2011, around 93.91 means 94, around 94% it has a literacy rate. And next factor is sex ratio. The sex ratio means a number of female population per thousand of male population. So sex ratio means the number of female population per thousand of male population. The sex ratio of Kerala according to census 2011 is 1084 to the 1000 of the male population. Because see, you can see that this sex ratio is higher, means 1000 to male population, for 1000 male to 1084 female persons, means sex ratio is highest. In the Kannur as the highest sex ratio 1136, and Idukki district as the lowest sex ratio 1006. Anyway, the Kannur, whether Kannur or Idukki, both district as the higher than the 1000 male population. Per 1000 male population, it has Kannur as the first highest sex ratio 1136 and Idukki as the lowest sex ratio 1006. And next is you can see that child sex ratio means that age group 0 to 6 years babies or kids, child sex ratio. Child sex ratio, number of females per 1000 males in age group 0 to 6 years in Kerala is 964. Okay, 964. Don't confuse, this is the overall sex ratio Kerala's. Okay, this is 1084 overall sex ratio, but 964 is the child sex ratio, which are in the age group of the 0 to 6 years. This is the 2011 census as per the. In a Pathanamthitta, you can see as the highest child sex ratio 976, and Thrissur has the lowest ratio 950. Next point is the aging population. Aging population. What about aging population in Kerala? As per the 2011 census, the proportion of population in the age group of 0 to 14 years has declined from 43% in 1961 to 23.4% in 2011. See, in case the age group of the population, which age group? 0 to 14 years age group population declining. It has declining 43% in the 1961. It is declining from 43% to 23.4% in 2011. The proportion of population in the old age group, means 60 years and above, has increased from 5% in 1961 to 12.7% in 2011 due to increasing life expectancy and availability of health facilities. So here in the aged population is increasing. You can see in the 1961 5% only, and it was increasing to 12.7% in 2011 because of the some now Kerala as the some in the health sector improved, sophisticated some health technologies, health services is there. Therefore, that this aged population is growing because of that you can say increasing life expectancy and availability of health facilities. And then if this trend, which trend means increasing the aged population growth rate from 5% to 12.7% is there now. So this trend, if this trend continues, the addition to the working age group of the population 15 to 59 will decrease in the near future, as the proportion of the population in the age group of 0 to 14 is declining. The increasing proportion of the old age group 60 and above would place higher social security obligations on the government. That is one problem for the government. Next point is, we can see district-wise age group distribution in Kerala. District-wise age group distribution in Kerala state. You can see that Kasaragod as the highest. There are 1, 2, 3 groups are there in the age groups. First group is the 0 to 14. The third column now. In the third column present age group 0 to 14 age group, and 15 to 59 age group, and 60 plus above, this one the age group. So Kasaragod as the highest in case 0 to 14 age group population. You can see that Kasaragod and Kannur as the I think Malappuram yes, you can see that Malappuram district as in case 0 to 14 age group population and 15 to 59 age group population, even also it doesn't have that 60 and above age group population highest, but in the age group is we can see that highest is Kozhikode as the highest age group in the state, Kozhikode. And this is the in all Kerala, and you can see that which age group population means age group. You can see 0 to 14 age group population is 78 lakhs 30,974, and here is 15 to 59 age group population. You can see total all or Kerala 2 lakh 13 2 crore 13 lakhs 47,208, and here is age is 60 and above age group population 42 lakhs and 27,879, compared to 15 to 59 age group is the highest compared to that other 0 to 14 age group and 60 and above age group. This is as per the 2011 census data. And I hope this is today we discussed about that demographic factors of the Kerala state, and in the next class we can discuss about that urbanization in Kerala. What about in urbanization in Kerala state? And thank you for your watching.